Hey guys, it's me Myrna. Today we're going to be making Clicky Fluffy Slime. First you're going to need a bowl, a spoon, glue, shaving cream, any lotion, activator of your choice, and food coloring if you want. Water too. First we're going to put the glue in the bowl. I just have this 16-ounce glue bottle. Then we're going to put some shaving cream. I ran out of the shaving cream, so it was very hard for me to put it in the bowl. And then we're going to put some lotion. I put about 10 squirts in, and lotion just makes it stretchier. And I'm just going to put some water to loosen it up a bit. Now I'm going to put some food coloring. I put like 5 drops in. And then you stir it. And I forgot to say that water also makes it clickier. Now, I felt like adding a little bit more food coloring because it wasn't dark enough. I wanted it to be like a banana yellow. In real life, it's a little bit more yellow. Now I'm going to put some borax. And when you put activator, you have to put a little bit at a time. See, I only put a squirt and look how much it is. I put a little bit more. As you see, I put like a second squirt and see how it's clumping up like really fast. And then I just clean the bowl. And then play with it with your hands because so it can get like used to your hands because if like you get used to it with your hands and somebody else touches it, they might think it's sticky or something. Now here's a little ASMR. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye!